Hello, 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 folks.
Hello, peeps.
Hello. This is Diana Randall here, coming to you live from Prescott, Arizona. We're happy to talk to you about if you're thinking about moving and you're like, well, I got to sell first. I don't know. What a drag. I can't get my time frame to line up. So we wanted to talk to you about buy first, then sell.
Yeah, it's a new program. It's designed to help you out. One of the things we observed is that when we have buyers that are full of cash. A lot of times what they will do is they'll just buy a house, right? They'll buy a house, they'll move their stuff in, and then they sell. It really reduces the pressure associated with the whole deal. It doesn't force them into a house really quick, so they have the time to find exactly what they want. And when they're negotiating on the buy side, they're not under time pressure. They usually negotiate better deals. And on the sell side, same thing. They're not in a hurry, and so they can negotiate a better deal. Not a lot of people fall in that category, and unfortunately, they can't enjoy those benefits. But now there's a new program that'll do that, and it's called Buy Then Sell. So,
Buy Then Sell.
Yeah.
It's great. So we have a number of contacts that we can connect you with, where you can get a bridge loan, but it's not the bridge loans of yesteryear. This is a really great product. You can identify a home here in Prescott that you absolutely love. You don't have to worry about losing out because you're under a contingency and perhaps your home didn't sell in time. So you can identify it, put the offer in. If you qualify, depending on your credit, of course, if you've got great credit, you get cash up front from the company. They give you the cash up front for you to buy the home that you've identified here in Prescott. You then can negotiate better, right? Because you, quote, have a cash deal.
Yeah, from the seller's point of view, your offer is a cash offer.
It's considered a cash offer.
Which always gets priority.
Always. Cash is king. Cash will win out on any kind of bidding war that you may be in. So you will win that. You'll get the home. You'll get to move in. You'll get to slowly but surely move in without all that pressure of, oh my gosh, I've got to sell my house and now I got to get the house packed up and I got to get out of here. This lets you have some breathing room. It lets you identify the home you love. You won't lose it. You can buy it. You know it's there. It's safe. It's sound. It's waiting for you. You can slowly start to move in. Then you can stage your existing home that you want to sell and not have to worry about being there and fielding calls for showings and all that. You pack up, you move here to Prescott, you let it sit there. You let it sit there while it's selling. And it's a lot less pressure. It's a lot less trouble. You don't have to keep your house picked up and cleaned while you're waiting for the next showing. You don't have to sit there and be like, I have 10 days to get this sold. Otherwise, I'm going to lose my house in Prescott. All that foolishness goes out of the window.
The good thing is there are fees associated with getting the buy then sell program, but here's the thing. The amount of money that you pay is offset by the extra money you'll get by being able to negotiate better deals on your buy side and your sell side.
That's true. And
honestly, we've done this a couple of times, and it's almost a wash. I mean, it really ends up being very cost effective. And when you just think about the reduction in pressure, dealing with the movers, the moving, the staging, the logistics. It's just
kind of a no-brainer. And the other good thing is, I think a lot of people think, oh, if I get a bridge loan, I'm then paying two mortgages. I'm paying the mortgage on my existing home, and I'm paying the mortgage on... No, you have up to a year to get your existing home sold. You do not have to pay any, not even interest during that time frame. Now, the interest is accruing.
It's accruing.
But it's not like you will have an additional house payment or interest payment to make during that year process. It won't take you a year to sell. You might accrue a little interest for 2 or 3 months. That's it. Then you sell, you pay off the bridge loan. Boom.
Comes out of your sale.
It's a beautiful thing.
It comes out of your sale.
So if you have amazing credit and you qualify, we highly suggest it, because sometimes we get people who come in, they absolutely fall in love with a house. and they're heartbroken because they know, I don't even have my house on the market yet.
Right.
There's no way I can get this together. I can
Right.
get this sold to purchase this one.
Right.
And it's very upsetting, you know, to leave a home you love that you really want. So we think it's a great product. We've had a number of friends
It's a great idea. A
and
number of friends
clients
who've done it.
use it, and
Yeah.
they love it.
If you think about it, the pressure is, okay, so let's say you sell your home first. Well, now you got to find a home really quick and
Yep.
go into it. That's a lot of pressure.
You got to hustle down here, and
Yeah.
I got to find it.
And you're going to
What if the
settle for
perfect
something
ones-
maybe that's
Yeah.
not on the market.
Right,
You know.
because maybe that perfect one isn't quite there.
Yeah, isn't there?
So
Yeah.
you'll be like, well, this one is okay. I mean, you'll
end
settle.
up settling. Yeah.
We hate when our clients
yeah,
settle.
we want you to be happy.
We don't want you to settle. We want you to
Yeah.
be happy and excited.
Or you find the perfect home and you put an offer in. It'll have to be a contingency.
Yep.
So you're going to have to pay top dollar.
Yep.
And then you're going to have to discount your home wherever you live now to get it to move as fast as
You gotta
possible.
hustle.
It's just it's you're behind the eight ball.
That's
This
right.
gets you out from behind the eight ball.
So if you are fortunate enough to be in a position that you could qualify for this bridge loan product, hey, it's something to really consider.
Yeah.
If you really had enough and you want to get out of Dodge where you are,
Yeah.
you know, there's other options available to you
Yes.
that will help you get that done faster and quicker.
Now we have no vested interest in this at all.
Oh, absolutely not.
Actually, we're not allowed to have any vested interest in the
No.
lenders that we recommend to you, just to be clear.
Yes.
And if you want to do it the hard way, you know, we'll help you. That's what we do. And we'll
Absolutely.
do it well. But this is another option for you. So something to
We just
consider.
thought we'd throw that out there to
Throw it
you
out.
folks out there
Yeah.
and who are still thinking of the bridge loan as the olden days when you had to pay all this extra payments every
Yeah.
month. Just wanted to give you a little heads up. The product has changed. It's very effective. It's easy. And it's well worth it
Yeah.
if you are ready to really make the change and you don't want to wait another 6 months.
Absolutely.
So that's our tip of the day.
Tip of the day. If you're into tips, the place to go is pickle411.com. That is our free information site. Whether you're a buyer, seller, or somewhere in between, there is something waiting for you there that will amaze, astound, entertain you, and tickle your funny bone. most of the
Hopefully.
time.
Hopefully.
Yeah. All free.
All free.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you for listening. We appreciate your time and have a great day. Bye.
Bye.